woke up to the sound of chainsaws this morning. People were working hard, which is good to hear. And I guess they're now working at really trying to restore power to our area. So, yeah, I have to drive down here, so I figured if I turn the camera on, you might be able to see different changes to the local scenery if you're a local. So lots of people working hard, and I am very grateful for them. And it is now Sunday the 13th of June, so the storm happened late on the evening of the 9th into the 10th of June, and I'm already seeing big piles of tree limbs and branches. And hey, we've got flashing lights here now, so that's better than what we had, which was no lights at all. It shows that things are moving in a forward direction. So many trees down. So they've already been clearing down here. And like I said, it's only a couple days since we had the storm. But all these huge, I want to call them snow gums, but you know, I'm only half Australian, so apologies to all the tree people out there, horticulturalists, Australian native experts. But like, this area is totally sort of clear, like it's crazy. So it looks like they're maybe burning off already. This big tree came down across the path. And I think like on the 10th, the wind was still quite, like, sort of the high winds still going, but since then, like yesterday when I was walking early, it was like no wind, which is good. That is a good thing. I have to look up what they call this area. Is it like the Olinda Creek Trail? I don't know. I could have totally made that up. So, yeah. And even more damage. This is heading towards Lilydale Lake. Like, look at how big some of these trees are. So people have been chopping up wood, as you can hear in the background. It's just amazing, like all these trees are just literally like, they've just laid down to go to sleep. And it would be interesting to ask people who live on this side of Swansea Road what it's like for them, like their new view, I guess. this is heading down towards the York Road roundabout in the Montrose direction. More trees down, more chainsaw melodies going, even like right up the hill. There's trees down. I'm sure there were many surprised possums. Not that I would literally like invite them into my lounge room or anything, but I do now have a far greater appreciation for checking on wildlife. If you hear or see something, to actually investigate it or contact someone who knows what they're doing, because there are experts out there. And I just say to people, I'm good at a lot of things, but I'm not good at everything. So I wonder if that's like sort of a landslide. It looks like some trees have come down, and look at that. But I just wanted to show people parts of my local area. And I live in a wonderful community because so many people have been offering to help and helping each other and working together. And even though I dreamed to move back to Canada and stay there forever, if I have to stay here forever, that's okay too. That is all I can show you for today, because I got like other parts of my life to do. But I hope you enjoyed seeing these videos.